Hi friends, welcome to Garden Storytime. Today's story is The Grandma Book by Todd Parr, the New York Times best-selling author. The Grandma Book. This book is dedicated to my Grandma Parr and Grandma Logan. Some grandmas have a lot of cats. Some grandmas have a lot of purses. Some grandmas give you a lot of advice. Be nice, eat your vegetables. Some grandmas give you a lot of books. All grandmas are happy when you spend the night. Some grandmas help their neighbors. Some grandmas help take care of their grandchildren. Some grandmas like to make you eat a lot. Some grandmas like to make you things.
Whoa!
All grandmas like to hear from you. Some grandmas like to dance. Some grandmas like to play bingo. Some grandmas live with a grandpa.
Have you seen my glasses? I can't find them anywhere.
Some grandmas live with their friends. Some grandmas drive slowly. Some grandmas drive fast.
Woo!
All grandmas like to give you lots of kisses. Grandmas are very special. They make sure you are warm and safe and that you always have a full tummy. They know everything. Tell them you love them every day. Love, Todd. Which of the grandmas from the story is most like your grandma? This has been The Grandma Book by Todd Parr. See you next time.